Here's a 2019 BMW X3. This X3 is versatile and nimble enough for the urban jungle and capable enough for your next road trip. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, driver memory seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seat, abundant cargo space for its size. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.